Hey there guys, today we're going to do a quick intro to scripting for our new beginners viewers. So let's get started by going to our service script service. We're going to add a script, and inside your script just enter the following lines. On the first line here we're declaring a variable named a, and we initialize that variable to 100. On the second line here we set our variable a equal to a, so equal to itself minus 50. So basically it's 100 minus 50. So our variable a, after executing this statement here, is going to contain 50, and we're going to print out a, so it's going to print out 50. In the next section here we're declaring a string. So our variable message here is a string, and it contains the string hello in it. On the second line here we're concatenating the string world to our variable message. So now message is going to contain hello world, and we're printing out our variable message. On the next line here, our variable is raining is a boolean, and it is initialized to true. So when we're printing out not is raining means not true, it's going to print out false. Let's now run tests and take a look. You can see the first line printed is 50 because a is 50. The second line printed is hello world. We get that from this line right here. And finally it's printing false because not true is false. In our next example here, we're going to show you how to use the boolean variable inside an if statement. So here we have an if statement. So we say if, and then a condition followed by then. The condition is the boolean variable, is raining. So we say if is raining. In this case, is raining is true. So if true, then print it is raining, which means it's going to print it is raining. If is raining is false, then it would execute this other statement here. It would print it is not raining. But in this case, is raining is true, so it is going to print it is raining. Let's take a look. And there you see it, it printed it is raining. In our final example here, you can see in our workspace we have 3 different objects here, and we're going to look at this pill here. So this object here, this ball, is called pill, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a script here. In our script, first we're declaring the pill. So basically the pill is inside the workspace. So here we have workspace.pill, and it is referring to our pill. In our next statement here, we're checking the color of our pill. So we say if pill.brickColor, and we want to check to see if the color of the pill is really red. We can take a look here. Go back to the pill, click on the pill, and then check the brick color inside the properties window. You can see the pill is really red. So this condition here inside the if statement is true. If it is true, it's going to execute this statement here, and it's going to print pill is really red. On the other hand, if it is false, it would print pill is not red. But in this case, the pill is really red, so it's going to print this statement, pill is really red. Let's take a look. And there it is. Pill is really red.